I'm just gonna get ready to see what I'm gonna do today. Oh, I almost ate this part of the grape. I do have my ring light on just to give me a little bit of extra lighting. Because it looks like this. So that's still pretty good lighting, don't get me wrong, but I kind of want you guys to see my face a little bit. So I'm not going to do it too harsh. It goes really bright. I got a new ring light. Oh, it goes really bright. But we're not going that bright today. I honestly think that's good. So I'm going to start off by getting the Rose Water by Pearl Essence. It's a hydrating face mist. And I'm just going to pick up my little pelitos. It smells so good. I think I'm going to pin my little pelitos up just so they're not in the way. I found one. I'm just going to grab them. Do that. So lately I've been using this brightening eye cream by Sephora. Yeah, sure. I know it's just like a little... it's a brightening eye cream and it hydrates and depuffs. And it has hyaluronic... I'm saying that wrong. Hyaluronic acid, so it's really good for you, and you can use it during the daytime and nighttime. I just didn't get to do it in the morning, so I'm doing it right now, and I'll just put that under my eyes. Lately I've been using this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and this one's also really good. I love this. It makes my face glowy, and I feel like my makeup does stick on better, like it stays on longer. And the good thing is that's for all skin types, which is pretty cool. I got a sample of the, I have the eye cream already, but I'm trying out the face one too. So it's like not a sample, it's like a small size, but I didn't want to get the big one. Just I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. And this one is a hydrating and glow face moisturizer. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this today just to see how it works out for me. Again, that way it's like a little duo of them. Any good eye creams you guys recommend, please let me know. I'm looking for good eye creams. I like this one, but I want to try other things too. I'm just not too sure. There's so many kinds. Let me know what you guys like, if you guys know any good eye creams. Put some of this cream on. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit in their new shade 2.75. And this shade is really good for any redhead. Like, I've had such a hard time finding an eyebrow pencil for myself, and I found one. And I'm gonna just look at like how subtle the tint is, but it matches my hair. I'll do like a little video next time just for my eyebrows. So yeah, basically I'm just doing little feathery strokes wherever my brow is sparse and brushing it out. And towards the tail of my brow, I kind of just make my little brow tail a little bit longer. And then I'm going to clean it up with some Makeup Revolution concealer. Lately I've been cleaning up my eyebrows with that. It does a good job. So I'm using this one, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C1. And then I'll go in with the Morphe brush. It's the M421. Basically the tip is like this. trying to run some product through there. And then just clean up my brow. Right now it looks like that. See the difference? The color, shade, and difference. And I'm just gonna blend it out just a little bit. And then I run some of this Gimme Brow, and this is in the shade, the number 3.5, which is a warm brown Auburn. And then basically, I'm just gonna run my little brush through it. And this just gives it just like a fluffier effect. Makes the brow hair just a little bit thicker, so it looks like it's your brow. Highbrow here. This is where my arch would be. And then I'm just gonna get that same brush to blend it out. Done. Okay, I'm gonna do this to my other brow and I will be back. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. Look like this. I used the remainder of what I had on my hand. Just put it here. I want to hear like different music. Oh god, I'm gonna bring this out. Fentybeauty in the front. Fentybeauty in the front. And I'll use the rest of the shape tape here. Yep, that'll work. So I'm going to be using the Cosmetics Concealer Blending Brush. I'm just going to tap the product in there. It is the best thing to blend concealer with. It's my favorite brush. That's how my face looks right now. I'm looking for the foundation. Maybe just spot conceal with my Too Faced. Here. Here. And then I still want my skin to peek through, so around the nose. So this is the Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer in Almond, and this matches my skin color. So I usually don't use foundation. Sometimes I do though. I'm just gonna do little drops on my cheekbone. Here. Blending this out with my e.l.f. brush and this number 105. And I'm using the Anastasia Liquid Glow in Peach Fizz. It's not focusing, but yeah. Basically, I tap the product. My boyfriend's just talking to my dog. Well, I like using this shade because for me, for my skin tone, it gives me like a little bit of a sheen and a bronzed effect on my skin color. Ooh, I think I'm gonna put some on my collarbones. So I'm putting some here on my collarbones. And I'm gonna rub the rest here on my shoulder. Now we're all glowy. The Smoke Makeup Lip and Cheek and the shade Work. And then grab a little stippling brush to blend it out, and I'm using the Real Techniques stippling brush. With the Fenty Beauty in the shade Butter, the profilter setting powder. So I'm gonna be using this baking, it's like a baking set from Japonesque, and this is like one of the brushes you get, it gets right under your eye real good. So it's like a small little brush, and it's really good to pick up product, you just dust off the rest. Make sure you have no creases and just go under there. Basically just setting the under eye so I don't crease up here. So then I'm gonna set my nose area right here. And just set where my smile lines are. And setting my eyelids too, and here. Basically wherever I would get greasy or oily, and then we're all set. And I pat a little bit more highlight on this Golden Sand and highlighter. Yeah, the Sculpt and Glow highlighter powder by Model's Own and Golden Sand 01. Super good. I'm just gonna grab a random little fan brush. Mine's broken, so I always hit the mirror. It gives me such a pretty sheen to my face. I'm gonna run some on my forehead. Here on my chin, on my cupid's bow, but a little too shiny there. I think today I'm going to go with a red lipstick just because I want to do natural, a very natural base, a little pop of color. Grab a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna get the Hoolah Benefit bronzer and I'm gonna put some in my eye. Not in my eye, but in my eyelid. On my eyelid. I'm grabbing some product in the M504. And I'm just gonna run it on there. Running it all over my crease. it down to my nose. Just to bronze up my nose a little bit from the sides. This pearlescence rose water. And I'm going to be using the roller lash by Benefit. This one. Okay, so basically I'm done. All I did is grab some of this Marc Jacobs Omega Illuminizer, and I'm I put a little bit more on my nose and in my inner corner, and a little bit on top of my eyelid. Just pressing it down here. This is it. That's pretty much the look. Well, this is the look, and I hope you guys like it.
The demons, we gon' dance in the light. We don't care what color you came in, we don't care about your zodiac sign. We gon' shake off the demons, we gon' dance in the light. We don't care what color you came in.